Welcome to my channel. Phone to you. Today I show you how to repairs Apple iPhone 15 Pro LCD. Before you open iPhone, make sure you got the opening iPhone screwdriver kit. You can buy this kit online or local stores. First you need to open two screws. The screws next to the charging port. After we have a heat tray, put the phone on the heat tray for 1 minute. After we lift the screen bottom next to the charging port very softly and gently. Screen have two flex, one for the LCD and the other one for the sensor. Once you left the screen, you can see that metal tray have screws. Remove the screws and remove the metal tray. After disconnect the battery first, then disconnect the LCD and sensor flex. Don't throw the old LCD have a flex on. You can see they have a 2 screw and a metal tray. Unscrew these, then remove the metal tray very gently and softly remove the flex. After bring the new screen for the sensor flex on the metal plate on and to screw. After you're done, connect the new screen and the sensor flex on the board and reconnect the battery again. Before you put the metal plate and the screw, just turn on the phone, make sure touchscreen is working and LCD is working. Each corner turn the phone off, put the metal plate on and screw back on. Put the screen on the top first, press softly and gently, then you put on the side. On the bottom, put the 2 screw back on the bottom. Thank for watching my video.